Cottage cabins, designed by Australians for Australians. Our houses are designed here to strict structural building standards. On this one, our client chose tinted French doors with expansive wood grain flooring. All wiring and switchboards have SAA certification and meet AS3000 guidelines. This client also received a complimentary upgrade to our latest 3.0 dimmer switches, giving them full control over colour temperature and brightness. It's the perfect way to tailor the mood and lighting to suit every moment in their cottage. The bathroom is absolutely stunning, featuring marble effect walls, a spacious walk-in shower, ceramic tile flooring, and a charming cottage vanity. It all comes together to create the peaceful haven our customer dreamed of. And they couldn't be happier. Once on site, Cottage Cabin's in-house installation team gets to work, fitting the custom kitchen, finishing the walls, and adding the cornices and skirtings. And here's a sneak peek at their kitchen design. We can't wait. Contact Cottage Cabins today to start designing your own custom cottage.